All right, today we're in the test kitchen at Marra Forni. We're going to show you how easy it is to clean underneath our rotating deck. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the oven is cool enough for you to do this. 130 should be fine. You don't want any more than maybe 170. You don't want to melt your shop vac while you're doing it. The first thing you do is you got to come underneath the front. You got two pins, one on the left, one on the right. You squeeze it, slide it out. Squeeze it, slide it out. All right, once you've done that, the front deck should just gently push down. You can see we got a little debris here we need to clean out today. You want to check, make sure that it's not too hot. And then you're just gonna get yourself a little shop vac like this. With an extension tube, helps to get to the back. You're gonna fire it up. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's important you do this every 2-3 weeks to keep the debris from building up underneath your deck. It gets you a nice even temperature on your deck and also stops debris from falling down into the burner, which will clog up the burner and cause you not to be able to cook pizza. Once you're done, all you gotta do is lift the deck back up, or the front granite, being careful to never lift by the granite, always by the metal. Lift it back up. Stick your pins back in, secure your pins. And voila, you're done.